Hello guys, today I will show you few things about Illustrator. Before all, let's draw something. Star. Okay. If you press Alt and drag it, just notice where I paste it and what happens. Just say if I paste it right at the bottom, then if I press Ctrl and D, it'll keep on pasting in the same pattern. So, easiest way to duplicate your drawing in the same direction by just pressing Alt key and then dragging it, and then when you press Ctrl and D, it will paste in the same direction, but make sure you have to select the item before you paste it. So there we go. Now just see if I want to draw something else, maybe on top of this. Press Ctrl and D. See how it's just going into allocation, and just see if I want to draw something else. Again, Ctrl and D. It's amazing how Illustrator designs all the stuff. Let's try something else. And the small star in here. And then Ctrl D. Wow. So cool. But imagine if I had colored that star. Just a yellow star. And then Ctrl D. The same color goes everywhere. Wow. So good. Just say this, so we can create a moon. I'm gonna drag that. I'm gonna set color that total black. No, let's try a different color. Let's try no colors at all. Call it white and call it white. Let's delete one half of the circle. Delete one half of the circle. Nope. I'm trying to draw a little moon. So what can we do? Hang on. Let's go to the Pathfinder tool. Windows, Pathfinder. Where is it? Where is it? There. And then break the chain. And then select that. Delete that bit. 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 So can you see we've done a little moon there? Delete it from there. So let's paste the moon there, yeah? And I want to color that moon this color. So I'm going to press Ctrl and D. It'll keep going in that direction. But if I just press drag and put it there, let's I put moon. Let's get rid of the moon and put that circle back, and let's draw something else. It didn't work out for me what I wanted to do, so I'll try something else instead. Okay guys, so in this circle I'm going to add another circle, and I'm going to color that same color and press Ctrl D. No, my god, it's not listening to me, this. We'll press, let's put it there, and then press Ctrl and D and keep pasting. Yep, but it's not pasted where I wanted it, because we kind of moved the positioning by changing the first item. But like I said, as you can see, we can create so many different patterns by using Control and D tool. So it'll create a lot of repeat patterns. I'm gonna try something else now. Okay, let's put all that in one corner, and let's draw circle. Yeah, don't think it will draw in round circles, but just say if I want to paste this circle all the way around here, let me center this first. Line, center, make that slightly bigger. Then I'm going to group that. Once I've grouped it, I'm going to go into Windows and open brushes. When I open brushes, I will drag this and put it in here, and I'm gonna call it a pattern brush. Okay, so basically I placed that there. Now what I need to do is select this and make a copy of that by pressing Alt key, and you drag it. Select this and click on this. Watch what's gonna happen around here. Beautiful, there we go. Amazing pattern. And then object, flatten transparency. Okay, so basically they're both independent items now. So small circles are different than the big circle, so we can have different colors on this. Can you see that? Bring it to front, center that. There we go. Beautiful. And you can add these circles as many times as you want. So if I enlarge that and put circles, there we go. It's entirely up to you how many times you want to draw circles. There we go. Just unlimited patterns. You can have more than circle, you can have something else. So there's some default patterns there. Or can you see different style? This is not straight because it's a curvy line I've selected. So if I double click on it and change it to something else, there are so many things in Illustrator. You can create your own pattern, and you can repeat a lot of patterns. You can justify it however you want. So as you can see, a lot of decorative is all hidden in here. So a lot of borders, frames, everything's in there. You can see it's changing there. Straightforward. It's just the way you utilize your skills, to be honest. There's so many things you can do with these drawings and designs. It's amazing how we can form a lot of styles. And anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and I will add on more tutorial in due course. Goodbye.